ये ऑर्डर इससे बेहतर समय नहीं हो सकता आने का, क्योंकि इस वक्त पूरे हिंदुस्तान में एक ही उम्मीद सबको लग रही थी कि कब केजरीवाल जी बाहर आएंगे। और जो कि ईडी मसले में उनका आ चुका था, बेल मिल चुकी थी, तो सबको आज के दिन में यही उम्मीद थी जो आज हुआ है। तो मैं सर्वोच्च न्यायालय का धन्यवाद करता हूँ कि आज सही समय पे सही फैसला ले लिया, और अब डेमोक्रेसी को जो एक बल मिलेगा केजरीवाल जी के आने से, वो एक अद्वितीय बल मिलेगा।
Court has given two separate judgments. One is a judgment which says of Justice Suryakant, where he said that as far as the arrest is concerned, we are not agreeable. But as far as the bail is concerned, he is entitled to the bail and he's been released on bail. Justice Bhuvan has given a separate judgment where he had said that in fact the arrest of Mr. Kejriwal was also illegal. There was no necessity to arrest him. For 2 years the investigation was going on, and still he was arrested after he's got secured bail in the PMLA matter. And on those grounds, he had said that the arrest was illegal. The grounds given in the arrest was also illegal according to him. And he had said that he should be released on bail on the grounds that the arrest was also illegal.
So now he will also be unable to attend.
On that, they said that the judges have said that since there is a similar condition already imposed by the PMLA court, so those conditions have to be imposed again. However, Justice Bhuvan has commented that these conditions are not right and he has serious reservations against those conditions, but he is not commenting on it at this stage.
So when he will come out from the jail?
I
and
think
what will the procedure be?
Now I think the order would be out immediately, and then we'll take it to the trial court where the release orders would be passed.
Sir, Supreme Court ne
only for the reason that Justice Bhuvan has commented with regard to the time of arrest, which is a big issue which we have been raising across the courts, and it's a big order for us.
any of the directions in that program CBI arrest?
Yeah, the court has commented with regard to the timing of arrest, and once we go through the order, let's see what are the further course of action that we have to take.
So can he join the office, CBI office?
We'll have a look at that, and if there are certain restrictions, we'll try to see what further course of action can we take with regard to that.